Uh-oh.
I can't believe you've done this.
Hey everyone. It's week 10 of Devlogs, everyone. I only devlogged one time last week. I really dropped the ball. So this week, I'm trying to do a better job of that. Because I, Joe, let everyone down with only one devlog and a short video. It's currently 11:41 on Monday. And we're trying to get that 3 development sessions in this week, no matter what time it is. Because I really dropped the ball last week. Me, Joe, Cotton Eye Joe, Mama, really dropped the ball last week. So with that, let's get started. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna try to add a quantity indicator to the stone drop. Gizmo. Not bad. Should we try it? Okay, I guess we could, yeah. What happened? What'd I do? Uh-oh. What did I do? Sure enough, folks. I'm not necessarily sure why it's doing that. There's a lot of them, though. Well, Ripster, dude. That didn't work either. Why? It's spawning it before, and I don't know why, because... Yep, that would be it. Yep, it does appear I have fixed the issue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It did not spawn. It did not spawn it. It could be because I didn't call it. What the hell? Yes, it worked! Let's go, champ. Freaking heck, boys. I done did it. I did it, boys. Look at that. That looks good. It worked. I'm surprised, dude. I'm in the matrix. I'm deep into this thing, bro. Let's go. What do you say, huh? What are we thinking? Look at that, kids. What are we thinking here, huh? How about that? Huh? How about it? Oh, let's go. Look at that. 0, 1, 2 days, and 0 hours. So now there's a timestamp on all my videos, basically. You guys can see, you know, if I'm being honest or what's going on. You know, I'm kind of a sly guy, and I will definitely manipulate the viewers, for sure. Alright, I'm done for tonight. It's time to maybe read and go to bed or something. Solid night. That does not look bad at all. Okay, productive, dude. It's 12:30 a.m. For it being as late as it is, I've made some solid progress tonight. Look at me go. I said I was going to do game dev today. Joe said he was going to do game dev today. And he is unfindable. He's probably laying in bed right now because he's soft. He's soft, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy.